Are you worried about the radiation of your router and you want to decrease it? I'm going to show you step by step how you can do this. So basically, in this case, I have this router that you see here. I'll show you. It's very cost effective. I mean, it's not the greatest in speed, but you know, it's just $30. So I bought this and I said, okay, I want something that I'm not going to have, you know, issue with the radiation. I want to have it, you know, as low as possible. As you can see, it's very tiny. It can fit almost in your pocket. And then here you can see some pictures. And if you do Van Life, it will work because it uses, you know, USB-C. So that is great. Also in the front, it has a light that you can disable. But I'll show you now what you have to do. So basically, you have to type, at least if you have this router. If you have something else, maybe you have to search on the manuals of your router. So here is what you have to type: 192.168.8.1. So you type that, and then you have to go here where it says wireless here on the left side, and then you're going to see here. So as you can see here, you can select. I put it in low already, but you can select max, high, medium, low, whatever you want. Also, another good thing about this router here, the security, it has the norm WPA3 SAE. That is one of the latest one that you're going to get right now. Usually the old ones was WPA and just the version 1. Now we have the version 2, and now we have the version 3. So I was having some issue with the Apple that wasn't working. So if you set it up, you know, the Wi-Fi mode like that, A, N, and AC, it will work just fine. You're not going to have any issues. If you leave it on AC by itself, it will not work. So that is the only issue. With Android, I never had any problem. So that is all you have to do here to lower the radiation of the radio frequency. Another thing that you can go here on the left, it goes system, and then you go here where it says schedule a task. Once you click there, you will see everything here. So as you can see here, you have the LED in the front. I mean, this is, you know, maybe it will not be very useful for most people. I mean, it's not that bright. I have it on, is like nothing. But again, if you want to change it, you can do that. Now we are going to see the other things. So another thing that is very cool about this product, you can schedule reboot. So I put it 3 a.m. So every day it will reboot. So that way you know that you're not going to have issue, because sometimes if you don't reboot the router at least, you know, every 15 days or once a month, it will start working slow and you're going to have issue. But if the router can do it by itself, you can enable it and that's it. If you don't want it, just turn it off and that's it. Here let's talk about the most important part here that you're looking for. So we have 5 gigahertz, and then here you can set up the schedule mode, so that way you can turn it on and off. You select this, you turn this on here, and then you can set the time. For instance, from say 7 a.m. for instance, in my case, it will be on, so it will turn on by itself 7 a.m. and 23 so it will be at 11 p.m. It will turn off by itself. So here we have the Sunday to Saturday, it will be automatically. If you want to do the same thing with the guests, you can do the same. Here we have the same thing with the 2 gigahertz, as you can see, 2.4 gigahertz, turn it on, turn it back off, and same thing, same menu. And I'm going to show you the other menu, so that way you can select the power. Let's say, you know, if you want to switch the power of the router, of the Wi-Fi in this case, you can do it. So let's say you switch it, and then from here you can select, you can say, okay, you know, 10 a.m., 10 p.m. sorry, at night, it will be low, and it will restore, it will be, you know, max power, medium power, or whatever other power that you want. You can select it here, and that's it. So in my case, I'm going to use it because I have it in a small room for myself. I don't want the neighbors, you know, to get my signal. I will keep it in low all the time, so I don't need this option. But if in your case, if you have, you know, maybe a big office, or maybe you have to be able to provide internet to 2 or 3 rooms and you need more power, and you know, at night you're not going to use it everywhere, you can do that. Otherwise, I mean, it is up to you. For safety reason, I mean, one, for, you know, for your health, less radiation the better. I'm going to turn it off at night, and in the daylight I'm going to use the minimum, and that should be enough. So with that said, that is all you need to know, at least with this device. Again, it's not going to be the most powerful product, you know, it's not going to be the fastest one, but at least for very basic you can do that. Otherwise, if you want to get another product that is going to be more powerful, you can do that. I had another one here, so I bought this, the Amplify. This is from Ubiquiti. I had this working, but there is no option for that. I cannot turn off the Wi-Fi. There is no schedule for that. There is no way that you can, increase the security with WPA3. So, and I talked with Ubiquiti, and they don't have any solution. They don't care about, improving this product. So I'm going to stop using it. But hopefully this video was useful. If you have any question, please let me know in the section below. Another product that I saw this feature is MikroTik. MikroTik, if you go in the menu, they don't have all the features that you see here, but at least you can do that. I'll show you something. MikroTik TX power, and you will see that you can change the transmission power. So I'll show you here. I think it's in this area here. Nope. I'll show you. There we go. I saw it here. Okay, here, as you can see, you go to TX power, cars, and then here you can change it from here. It's going to be a little bit more complicated if you want to do the same thing I did here, but it's possible. You can create your own script, and then you can turn it on and off, change the power of the Wi-Fi and everything. So hopefully this video was useful. If you have any question, please let me know section below. Also, if you want me to send you any tools, electronics, or anything like that outside of United States, let me know. Otherwise, I'll leave you the link and you can buy it yourself. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. If you want to learn more about networking or anything like that, visit my playlist. I have all my classes over there. Thank you.